Can we start out like this? Don't give it away. It's all done. It's done and not away. Mae West, Ellie Mae, Mary Mae. Marry May, marry me, marry what you see. The calculable of 1244. 12 hours, 600 plus 120 degrees. I do it like this because everything comes in pieces and parts as it was built. We're going to put them back and rebuild it. 12, 600 minutes. 44 minutes, 120. 2 times 60 is 120. Alpha, beta, 6. Alpha, beta plus I'm the Saturn 6. I'm the man that walks with everything that's in it. 720, 72 times 5, 725. 72 times 5 is 360 degrees. 7 by 5 is 35 times 2 is 70. That is resh. To make the resh, you have to do one simple thing. Okay? It's a D and a V that comes together. It's dam ballet. You can also make it and put a waterhead on man, but we're not going to work that way. So we're going to get back here to 1244, 766, plus 4, 770, plus 4, 774, plus 2 and 1, 777. It's so perfect. Man, alpha, beta, space is 84 or 48. 84 is Pluto. 48. SPACE is 48, then do your calculables and you'll get the rest. I wasn't coming here to do that. But 3 times 36 times 12 is 36, plus the 3 you multiplied, or the 3 that's here, equaling to 39, plus the 3 that you began with, will be 42. 44 by 3 will equal to 132, plus the 4 will equal to 140, plus the 3 that you multiplied it by will be 143. 143 and 142 is 185. The silver matrix. Again, this is the angel. 58 is also the angel is 48 because inside the 1 group, right, just like the 9 group, the 9 will hit 90. The 1 group hits 58, equaling to 148 and counting for space. 1, 10, 19 is the only red in roulette, and 19 and 28 will equal to 58. 28 and 10 black is 38, the church heaven. Red is 1 and 19 is 20, equaling to 48. Now it links 42 over here, and 143 is the AC power, connects to space, all coming off of 1244, which apparently came out of that video that was 19.25, 19 minutes, 25 seconds that Mary sent me in the message. Okay? When you multiply 44 times 3 into the single-digit 10 world, you reduce to 33, and then the 2 houses become 33 and 44 is 77. 30, then you go 4 plus 4 is 8, equaling to 41, which is the total round of the creation, which is shown in Monopoly, plus 3 again. Watch how we do this. 33, 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 12 and 12, 33, plus 4, 40, 37, plus 4, 41, plus 3, 44. Back to 44 again. Not all the numbers do this. Okay. Another piece I wanted to mention that we had the 777. We're puppets in space. Okay. Puppets without strings. The star system. We are a puppet to the star system. Okay. Here's the star system. The legs, the hands, the head. Every planet, every moon has something to do with everything that's going on in this world. I did mention in the last video Mr. Schmidt, Mr. Smith, Mr. Anderson. How do they fit? We must now travel around the world and find out where Mr. Schmidt comes from and why. Another thing I wanted, so we have this as 777. It's so perfect. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 and 1 is 3. 7 by 3 is 21. 2 and 1 is 3. 7 by 3 is 21. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 equals 9. 9 and 21. I and you. 2 and 1 is 3. C and I becomes CI, and I do not know what it means. But this is the calculable. If you take a dice, okay, 6 to 1, 5 and 2, 4 and 3 are all 7s. But if you reduce it, 6 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 4 minus 3, it equals to 5, 3, 1. It says ace. Ace, the cat's in the hole. The difference in the center are all 3.5s. Electric company is the center that turns the spindle. 4 areas will turn in a spindle in Rubik's Cube in this setup. 12, 14 equals the cross. Okay? 2 do not equal to the 7, so it's 14 and 7. 3 times, 3 areas, 105, the hand of God. It also says I am, as Christ said I am, or God said I am. Here's the numbers a key inside the face of the phone. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 9 plus 4 equals 5. If this was 7 over here, and this was 3 over here, it'd be 3 plus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So these are all calculables. And then what we will do with them, because it's more than one world, is multiply. These are 2 different calculations. First, you multiply by 3. Then you add up the word, like the word how. H-O-W is 8, 15, and 23. But the 23rd letter is a 5. The 15th letter is a 6. So it's 8, 6, 5. 8 and 6 is 14, and 5 is 21. So you add up that 21. Now you multiply how. Okay? 38 in how happens to be the church and the woman of the church. Is 38 and 8 is 46. 46, which is man. Okay? I'm not going to mention it, Mars and Saturn. 46, Mars and Saturn. Times 3 is 120, 138, 148, 158, 159. So how will go A, E, and I and connect the top with the bottom, and that's how on this angle. In my last video that was a minute long, I was talking about the fool, the fool, the fool. But when you go to the baseball game and the announcer says, "Pat Tabernac, c'est full." Well, you're not playing poker and it's not a full house. You're not really saying that the place is full. You're not telling anybody but they're a fool, but it's the crowd that they talk about is called the foule. Okay? When I say Paris to go to France, it means Paris is to make a bet. So that was the video I made before that some people were having a little bit of trouble with. And I cannot forget the names, and they want to bring back the Montreal Expos, so I know they're all codes. The Expos are codes. They came here for 20 years, 27 years, and they took them down. There's levels. There's many levels and many things that we do. And cards and reasons for half this deck to be cut open. And this is the 5, but it's now showing the 3. It's not me. Let me try to do this. This is the 8, but it's showing me 5. Do you think it's just by hazard that it ends up this way? No. It's a choice. Where did the choice, how the choice was made? What is the elongated, how can we say it? How did the choice come to be from the beginning? Raphael 70 to 86 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. Hold on. Thank you for watching this video.